Welcome all for the engineering cafe session. Today we are going to see about the topic sections of solid from Unit 4. Myself, Engineer G. Pradeesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rovani College of Engineering and Technology. So the problem is a pentanal pyramid of base height 40 mm, altitude 100 mm, rests with its base on HP with a base height parallel to VP. And it is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 35° to HP and bisecting the axis. Now the sectional top view, front view, and two shape of the section. So the problem is given as a pentagonal pyramid. Side is 40 mm and axis length is 100 mm. The resting position is the base is resting on HP with base side parallel to BP. So I already drawn the position with the base side parallel to BP. The ED is the base side parallel to BP. ED is the side parallel to BP, base side parallel to BP. So first of all, we have to draw the front view and top view of the pentagonal pyramid, which is resting on HP. So I already draw the top view of the pentagonal pyramid. The front view is we have to extend all the corners to the X-line because it is resting on HP. So we extend all the corners to the X-line. So the axis height is 100 mm. So we extend the center axis line to 100 mm from X with this. On the X line, center axis is 100 mm. So join all the points with the vertex point. Vertex O dash. And the A dash. In this, the point A, B, C are visible. E and D are invisible points. So we have to put the E and D in bracket. And also we have to draw the line for OE and OD in dotted lines because it is invisible backside. So we have to draw it in dotted lines. The line OE and OD are invisible lines. The next part is we have to draw a cutting plane, a section plane, which is inclined 35 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP, and bisecting the axis. Bisecting means half of the distance from the distance of the axis. So the distance of the axis is 100 mm, it's 50 mm. Okay. In this 50 mm, the cutting plane passes through all the generators with 35 degree inclination. Place the protractor in the center point and measure 35 degree, which is passing through all the edges of the pentagonal pyramid. This is the procedure for marking the axis, sorry, cutting plane. Okay. Then mark the points of which in which the edges were cutting by the cutting plane. It is cutting through all the edges. So we get 5 cutting points. That is from A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We mark it as P, Q, R, S, T, or 1, 2, 3, whatever it may be. Here I am marking as P, Q, R, S, T. P dash, Q dash, R dash. The procedure is we have to mark first the visible lines. Then only we have to move to the invisible lines. First visible lines OA, OB, OC. For that OAP, OBQ, and OC. And OD, yes. In bracket we have to mark it as yes. PQ, RS, T. So the removed portion is above this cutting plane. We remove this portion. The remaining portion is this one. So we have to dark the remaining portion. So we draw the front view of the pentagonal pyramid, which is cut by a cutting plane. And then we have to draw the top view by extending this PQRS point to the top view. Point P is in OA. We have to extend this P point up to OA. And Q is in OB. When we extend this Q point means we will not get any points. It is basically cutting the OB line. So we have to extend this Q point to the how this Q point to the last edge using this horizontal line, and also we have got the horizontal line from this O point and extend this Q point to this horizontal line. Place the compass in O and measure this point and cut an arc in OB. Okay, so the next is mark this R point up to OC and S point to OD, T point to OE. Here are the points which we extend from the front view to the top view, the cutting points. Mark the points, name the points as P, Q, R, S, T. Join all the points by using scale. Also draw the remaining pentagon. Dark all the remaining pentagon except the center point, center this distance, because we remove the upper portion of the pentagon. So then we can have to draw a section line for this section to plane. So professionals, we have to draw a 45-degree line with an equal distance between these lines. section plane, section portion of the pentagonal pyramid. So we have already the front view of the portion, and this is the top view of the pentagonal pyramid. The remaining we have to draw the two shape of the section. We have to draw the two shape of the section only parallel to the section plane. So the section plane is here. We have to draw a parallel line to that section plane. And this one is X dash, Y dash, imaginary reference line. Section on this PQR is point to the imaginary X line. Perpendicular lines are straight lines, 90-degree lines to that. So the final step is we have to measure this point P, Q, or ST from this top view, from this XY line, and mark it here. Place a compass in this area and measure this P point and place the compass here. Cut a mark for P. Same way, we have to measure this point from Q from here and measure the point Q and place a compass here and cut a mark. By same way, we have to measure R, S, T, U, V. Q, R, S, T. Join the points by using the scale, and you will get the true shape of the section. The true shape of the section. We also make a hatching line to this section, two section. With the equal distance and a 45-degree inclined line for this hatching position. Okay, so we have drawn the front view, sectional top view, and true shape of the section. Thank you. Thank you for the cooperation.